slide the chute on the baler right into this slot where there's no wood. Oh, that's gonna make contact, I think. Nope, nope. That's good. Alright guys, so I've sort of got some explaining to do on what these two implements in front of us are here, because these are both mine now. So anyway, let's get started here. So, a couple videos back, if you remember, it was the video where I was showcasing a bunch of new equipment that I had gotten. I had said that there was one piece left that I had yet to bring home. And in that video, I gave you a few hints and tried to see if anybody could guess what it was. Nobody guessed what it was. And out of these two implements, it was the baler that I was talking about in that last video. So let's talk about it first. So this is roughly a late 50s, early 60s New Holland Super Hayliner 69 baler. It's got some cool patina on it. You can sort of see the lettering there. I like this thing a lot. It looks pretty cool. And so it hasn't been used for a few years, but the owner of it, who I bought it from, said that the last time he used it, it worked good, and he took good care of it, so I'm trusting that this thing should work good for the 2020 hay season. Alright guys, so now for those of you wondering what we're doing here with sitting in front of this, or standing in front of this New Holland 488 haybine, well, the reason is, while I was just kind of searching casually for haybines, because that was the last piece of the puzzle for a haymaking set, I happened to find one up near where we got the baler from. So I ended up going out and got it for a good deal. All we've done to it so far is put new hydraulic lines on it. It seemed it already came with this new PTO shrouding and new PTO for this section. But we ran it and it seems to run good. We haven't actually cut hay with it yet, but I'm also hoping it will run good for the 2020 hay season. And with that, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you next time.